out at Department of Energy 3 years from now, as you all are on this tear to really transform? You've got this playbook out there. Perhaps you've run all those plays. Is there another set of playbooks, or what are we doing in 3 years?
Well, you never know. We try to be as helpful as we can from the Department of Energy. But one of the things,
and we really do, again, appreciate that on behalf of the community. Awesome publication. Make sure you get out there and take a look at it.
yes, please do, and thank you for that. Look, we're very proud of the work, and it's when you read it, you'll see it's feedback from the larger community. It's not just DOE. Really, as I was sitting here, kind of thinking about or listening to everyone speaking, I feel like we're making a cake, right? It seems like we're sort of building on top of each other's comments and thoughts, and which tells me that we're having the right conversation. So from my perspective, I think there's a phrase that I don't know if it's native to me, but I've been trying to push it is, we need to be more innovative and predictive. Whereas a lot of time we've been proactive and reactive. We all know what reactive is, right? The problem, something happens, we try to figure out what happens, and proactive is, hey, let's try to do this before, let's move our software from this infrastructure to that infrastructure so that we don't have an infrastructure failure. And whereas we're not looking at the technology as it's coming in and figure out how can it help us to sort of fast track to our digital transformation. So these are the things that I think we're going to try to do from our department, and I think I expect to see a little bit more from the rest of the federal space. But the two other things that I think we'll see is that we'll see more sort of accessible and affordable innovation because of some of these things we talked about here, right? There's a lot of tooling that's coming in to make data more accessible and to basically allowing us to deploy capabilities more quickly, fail over more quickly. All of these things I think are extremely important. And then we talked about the customer experience. I expect us to see a little bit more adaptable application and tools in ways that really is supporting the business and helping us to sort of deliver, a really, really true mission value outcome. So those are the things that I look forward to. They're not necessarily technology wise, but I think if we sort of keep these things in mind, I think we'll do really, really well.